Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make a mixed vegetable curry. So you can use any selection of vegetables you want. I've got here about 2 cups each of cauliflower, broccoli, tomato, bell peppers, mushrooms and pumpkin. I've got a cup of onion, fresh chili to taste, up to you, and then a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I'm starting mine off with some coconut oil, but change that if you want. We're heating that up. Then we're going to drop in some dried red chili, 3 or 4 green cardamoms, and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We're on an above medium heat, by the way, pretty much all of the way. I'll just let them do their thing in that oil and infuse that. Then we're going to drop in our onion. I've cut my onion really small. You don't have to do it as small as this if you don't want to. Then we're going to start adding our hard vegetables. In my case, it's the pumpkin, so carrots, celery. You'd be getting that in now. So let's throw that around for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to give it a head start. Then the ginger garlic paste, about a tablespoon of that. That's a 50-50 mix of the two. Next up, let's get some salt in to taste. I'm going to get my fresh chili in now, and like I said, the amount of that is entirely up to you, whatever you want really. And then some powders. I always call this the big four. We've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander powder. You could, if you want, use a curry powder that you have, like a blend already, but I think the separate ones are a little bit better. Then let's go in with that 2 cups of tomato. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato. We want that to kind of break down and you'll get some moisture from it. It kind of acts as the kind of actual curry, the masala. So let that go for 4 to 5 minutes so you can see that the moisture's there. Then we're going to start adding other vegetables. In my case here, I've got my cauliflower, my broccoli. Now, of course, eggplant's also usually in a curry like this, but I don't have any today, but you know, it's great in there if you've got some eggplants. So let that go again for about another 3 to 4 minutes. And you know, we're just building up the vegetables as they need to be cooked. So there's my bell pepper and my mushrooms. You know, like things like zucchini and things like that would go in now as well. And staying on this above medium heat, and I'll be stirring fairly often. We're just going to go for about another 4 minutes or so. Coconut milk, that's beautiful in there. I've got 2 cups of coconut milk that I've just put in there. Of course, potatoes are also fantastic in this, aren't they? But I went for the pumpkin. So let that go for another 3 or 4 minutes. We're going to put in some fresh cilantro. Check it for salt. Little pinch of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful kind of finishing spice. You know, it's a blend of spices that you can put in there. And you've done it. That's a really simple, beautiful vegetable curry. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. So if you do like what you've seen, it does really help the channel out if you could do a couple of things. Give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment. And when I say leave me a comment, you can just say hello to me if you want. And if you like, you can subscribe. I'll see you later.